What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today. There's actually some big stuff going on in Dogecoin right now, and a lot of people are talking about this huge 1000% rise in Dogecoin. And if you're in the Dogecoin army, then I'm sure that you heard about this 1000% rise for more than just me. It's been from literally everyone. But yeah, we're going to go over this today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And I'm not telling you to dump all your money in Dogecoin. Definitely don't do that. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to donate to the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link in the description, as well as the Cash App donation link in the description. And also, if you all want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. Okay, let's get straight with the Dogecoin video. As you can see over here, in the last 24 hours, the market control is by the bulls by 60%. So the bulls are controlling the market by 60%. This is a good sign here with Dogecoin because previously the bears were in control by 80% with Dogecoin when it was around this area right here. But look, as you can see with these vital algo indicators, you can see like we had this uptrend and then we did have a chance for reversal, which sends us down to this downtrend because every time we get to these red areas right here, this is showing us that we don't have enough demand right here. We just don't have enough demand right here. Too much supply. Dogecoin just goes down, and then another chance for reversal comes in, and that's when we go on this little uptrend here. And then this green area is pretty much telling us that we have a lot of demand and not enough supply to demand, to supply that demand. So then what happens is we have this big rise in price, and then we hit this red area up here, take off this auto and move up a little bit. You hit this red area right up here, and you get another chance of reversal because there's not as much demand at Dogecoin for 24 cents. And then that's when you start to get these fluctuations between strong uptrends and strong downtrends. As you can see here, when we hit this strong downtrend, though, the second we hit the green area, which shows us that we have a lot of demand, we start to rise. And then we hit another red area, and then we go back down to where we have more green, and then we go back up, hit the red area, go right back down. That's why I like the vital algo indicator here because it shows you exactly what's about to happen. And then we hit a strong uptrend here. This is a huge purchase right here. Huge buy orders started to happen with Dogecoin around 23.37, right before it even hit the high demand area. And then a second, we hit this red area, which is showing less demand. We have this chance for reversal, and it kind of sends us down on a little bit of a downtrend. So that's pretty much what you have right here for Dogecoin. And even if you look at the oscillator here, you can see that Dogecoin was a little bit overbought right here when we went on this really strong uptrend, and then we hit a really strong downtrend and we oversold a little bit. So yeah, you can see right here with the oscillator as well, there's a lot of selling volume forming right here. So this is showing you that we're probably about to have a little bit of a downtrend here, but I'm going to show you something that's going to really make you happy if you're a long-time Dogecoin holder. So let's go over that now without further ado. So powerful reversal pattern will launch Dogecoin to 43 cents. This is big right here. So Dogecoin price looks for a reversal and massive drive higher. Inverse head and shoulder pattern at the bottom of a swing often triggers explosive movement towards the higher movement. So point and figure charts clear up a lot of the consolidation and noise goods associated with candlestick charts, providing more clear price action structure. So yeah, the Dogecoin price is ready for a strong rebound as pent-up demand and a return of bulls coming to the market. And there's definitely pent-up demand here for Dogecoin. It has been down while everything else has been up. I mean, look at Bitcoin at $61,000, like 10% in the last 7 days, $61,000. And then you see Dogecoin only at 23 cents. Last time Bitcoin was at 61K, Dogecoin was at least 60 cents, So we definitely have a lot of pent-up rage here in Dogecoin. People want to see it rise right now. Anyways, however, a powerful reversal pattern is present and could trigger one of the most explosive moves higher that Dogecoin has ever seen in the past 6 months. This is big right here. So Dogecoin inverse head and shoulder setup could generate 100% gain. Other people are saying 1000% gain. And I'm kind of with the 1000% gain. I mean, 100% gain is also possible. That'll send us to 40 cents, but 1000% gain that would send us well above a dollar, well above a dollar. So yeah, Dogecoin inverse head and shoulder pattern setup could generate 100% gain. Dogecoin price has one of the most sought after bullish patterns in technical analysis. So the inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is the most sought after, what they say, the strength of this pattern is exacerbated by the location of its development, the bottom of swing low. So as a result, bulls will need to push Dogecoin to a close above the neckline at 27 cents. But from there, sustained price action is likely to continue. So if we get past 27 cents, they're saying that we'll actually continue on an uprise. And then this one over here, they're saying 25 cents. But we are going to keep going over this. So yeah, utilizing the Fibonacci expansion tool projects a target zone of 43 cents. The horizontal profit method and point and figure analysis points to 42 cents and complements the Fibonacci expansion zone. Thus, there is a little resistance to stop Dogecoin price from gaining 100% on the next breakout. They say there's very little resistance. Like I kind of agree with that. Like Dogecoin has just been kept down for too long. There's pent up and built up rage here. People just want to buy Dogecoin, so they're built up with all this demand. And right here, that you can see with the supply and demand is so close to each other. It's like we're gonna break out eventually here. All right. So some profit taking may occur at the 161.8 Fibonacci retracement expansion at 35 cents, but the pent up demand and momentum accompanying Dogecoin may make 35 cents a moot price level, as they say. Never really heard the word moot, but yeah, they say it's going to be a moot price level, which I guess means mediocre price level. So that's pretty much what we're looking here. And they're talking about this 35 cent Fibonacci retracement level I got all the way up here. They said when we actually hit this price, they said there will be some selling, but they're saying, look, it's going to be very little selling, and it's not going to really affect the price, like you say. It may chop it back down to 28 cents, maybe 30 cents, but then after that, we're going to shoot straight up to 43 cents, pretty much how they're putting it here. Anyways, over here, you can see what they're actually talking about here. So look at this wisely. You can see here, we had a heavy support here at 19 cents. And right now is like that pivot level that we're at right now, which is about to send us straight to the moon here. Here's the head and shoulder pattern they're talking about. We're really about to do some big stuff here in Dogecoin. And off of everyone's technical analysis, everyone sees the upside potential for Dogecoin. So yeah, when we hit 30, after we hit 30 cents, 31 cents, somewhere around there, we're gonna have a little bit of a retracement. And then once we hit 35 cents, we're gonna have another little retracement. Then once we have 45 cents, we're gonna hit another little retracement, or 43 cents actually. But yeah, big stuff is going here. Now, they always have to come out with the bearish outlook after they give you the bullish outlook. What can happen if the bears try to take over? So the bullish outlook can be invalid by breaching below the head of the inverse level in head shoulder pattern at 19 cents. So they're pretty much saying, look, if we go below this 19 cents area that they have here, then this whole bullish sentiment is just invalidated, 100% invalidated, which will eventually lead to 13 cents to 18 cents or 8 cents. So that's what they're saying if we don't do this breakout and if we go below 19 cents. I don't believe we're going to go below 19 cents. You can look at the support for Dogecoin. Like the support for Dogecoin never wants to go below 19 cents right here. Like over here, you can see we hit 19 cents very briefly. Back here, you can see the same thing very briefly. So whenever we do, we usually just end up breaking out here at Dogecoin. But anyways, let's move on to our next thing inside of Dogecoin, and that is the next technical analysis. So shout out to FX Street for this technical analysis. We're going to go over the daily hold up for this one. So they say 500%, okay? They say Dogecoin primed for a 500 to 1,000% multi-month rally if it hits this level. This is huge, and this was from crypto analysis Justin Bennett. Shout out to him for this. So, crypto market analysis Justin Bennett thinks Dogecoin is primed for a massive rally if it successfully recovers a key level and retests it as support. So, the analysis tells his 78,000 followers that 500 to 1,000% multi-month surge if it can reclaim the 24 cent level. So, look, it's not just going to surge 1,000% immediately. People are all up in their comments saying, look, it's not going to surge 1,000%. Obviously, it's not going to surge 1,000% in one day. It's going to do it over a month or so. They say a multi-month surge. That's not going to be 1 month. That's going to be multiple months, 1,000%. Maybe 1 month it'll do 100%, but not 1,000%. 1,000% will be multi-month. So Dogecoin just needs to take out that area above 24 cents. As you can see right here, we're trying to break it now. We're at 23.91, but we're getting rejected at this supply and demand area, this Reddit supply and demand area. Every time we hit it, we just get rejected here. But that's just showing us that we have some resistance and that we're so close to the upside of that resistance. It kind of shows that we're actually about to break out of the resistance. If you want to do something like this and you look at the pattern here, you just kind of see that we're like on the rise here with Dogecoin. We're starting to do consolidation like I was just drawing there. You can actually see that the consolidation is literally happening right now as we're speaking. So this is about to be really big with Dogecoin. Do that, and a multi-month rally begins, in my opinion, as they say. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. But look, we could break out at a multi-month rally with Dogecoin if we get past 24 cents, 27 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, 43 cents, and the multi-month is going to go on and on and on, 1,000%. So according to Bennett's analysis, if Doge can break 24 cents, he expects a short-lived pump to a previous high at 26 cents before retesting 24 cents and moving higher. So yeah, he's saying when we hit 26 cents, we're going to retest 24 cents and have a little bit of retracement period. At the time of this writing, yes, Dogecoin right now, 23.8 right now. But yeah, this is pretty big stuff right here. The crypto market strategist is also looking at Dogecoin's daily chart, where the meme crypto asset is coiling and forming a large triangle pattern. The formation of a triangle pattern in an uptrend suggests the bullish continuation of an asset. So once it takes out its diagonal resistance, so pretty much this is what he's expecting right here. He's like, look, we're about to break out here very soon. So I'm looking at this and I'm seeing the same exact thing that he's saying. I definitely believe a breakout is about to happen. I mean, I formed so many different consolidation periods. I was looking at it, I was like, yeah, we're definitely consolidating in so many of these different consolidation periods. And like we just end up breaking out of them. And now we're actually about to break out of them on this upside again. Dogecoin is going to take off. I have some big, heavy conviction with Dogecoin. I mean, I really believe in Dogecoin. And look, he's looking at it from the longer chart. You look at it from the 4-hour chart, and you just see Dogecoin has potential. Like people want to look at it from the short term all the time. I've been tracking Dogecoin for the longest time. That's why you see all this mess back here, because I've been tracking Dogecoin for a very long time and doing technical analysis on Dogecoin for a very long time. So I know what's about to happen. I feel like this is really about the form inside of a good way right here. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm not telling people to dump their money in Dogecoin. Not telling people to put their whole life savings in it. Don't be stupid. But anyways, let's move on. In a recent issue of his market analysis on the cryptocurrency newsletter, Bennett highlights 3 key price targets for Doge to hit, assuming it can break out of 24.50. So if it breaks higher, we can hit 32 cents, 42 cents, and eventually 57 cents, and they're all within reach. But this is not part of the multi-month 1,000% surge. This is just part of the 1-month surge that'll get us up 100%. However, keep in mind that the daily close above the upper trend line near 24.50 is required. So if we could get above 24.5, we will break out with Dogecoin is pretty much what he's saying. And we're trying to break out of 24.5 right now. You can see we're having heavy resistance here at the supply and demand. If we could actually break out of that area, we're going to rise huge with Dogecoin here. But yeah, we got lots of stuff here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin needs to break 25 cents to resume the bull run. We have so many different people talking about the same analysis. Bullish estimates target 45 cents, while Dogecoin bears want 7 cents. Dogecoin bears are not going to get 7 cents. We're going to get 45 cents out of Dogecoin. So everyone's pretty much talking about this. Everyone has the same analysis. Everyone sees what I'm seeing. Everyone sees that Dogecoin is going to break out. Shout out to Billy Marcus. Shout out to all the people out there with the Dogecoin trying to form it and make it the best thing out in the world. Dogecoin co-founder believes 1.14.4's success depends on this. So anyways, in a recent Twitter thread, Billy Marcus urged that Dogecoin miners and mining pools to update to 1.14.4 since it will allow lower transaction fees. They've been pushing this for a while. So running a node on your laptop that gets turned on and off is more for you and your learning than it is for the network. You could think of it like torrenting. Are you spending more output uploading or downloading? If more downloading, you're not really helping the network. So that's pretty much what they're saying. And anyways, they said run a node if you want or not. If you want to contribute to helping the network, you will need to be dedicated to running a full node. But they say if you do it on and off, it's not really going to help that much. But anyways, that's pretty much all I have for the news. But let's go over other stuff with Dogecoin. Dogecoin up 4% for the last 24 hours, down 4.34% in the last 7 days. We got Dogecoin whales buying lots of Dogecoin and doubling down. We got this Dogecoin whale at $1.2 billion here. A bunch of money today in this Dogecoin whale. They're probably just transferring their money, but $1.2 billion, that's a lot of money there. Now over here, we have more Dogecoin whales. This Dogecoin whale, $44.9 million yesterday. That's a big purchase right there. With $44.9 million is now $47.7 million. So we're seeing a lot of these Dogecoin whales making huge profits off of this stuff. Over here, this Dogecoin whale, $25.1 million today, now at $25.4 million. So we're seeing more and more Dogecoin whales buying into Dogecoin. You can even see the Dogecoin bulls are in control by 60% of the 24-hour market control. So lots is happening here with the Dogecoin whales. Now, this Dogecoin whale is contributing to the downfall. This Dogecoin whale is just, doing some day trades, $12.1 million, sold at $12.16 million. They made about $60K off Dogecoin, just day trading it. But yeah, these Dogecoin whales, they're making money off Dogecoin left and right. This Dogecoin whale came in yesterday, $8.7 million. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Not telling you to dump your money into Dogecoin at all. But yeah, if you like the video though, hit the like button, subscribe, because it'll really help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link. It'll really help it out a lot. It really helped me out a lot. So definitely do that. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely look up Vital Algo description, link in the description. Definitely go over there and get 25% with a discount code Marsellis. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.